Hello students, I am back with a new chapter of English grammar. I hope everyone has done the previous chapter very carefully. Yes, all the students have done the test very carefully. Everyone has got good marks. So now we are going to do fifth chapter of English grammar, that is negative sentences. Now just tell me that what are you not allowed to do at school? Yes, we are not allowed to, I am writing here, just see, we are not allowed to eat in the classroom. We are not allowed to in the classroom. Anything else? Yes, I am writing here. We are not allowed to make noise in the classroom. So as you have seen that I have written two sentences. I have written two things that are not allowed in the classroom. So here I have used not. Not is representing negative sentences. नोट जो है वो नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस के लिए यूज किया जाता है. सो हमें क्लास में टीचर ये भी कहता है डोंट मेक नॉइज, यू आर नॉट सपोज टू मेक नॉइज इन द क्लास. सो नोट इज बीइंग यूज्ड हियर. नोट इज यूज्ड फॉर नेगेटिव sentences. Not is used for negative sentences. Clear? So now in this chapter we are going to study about negative sentence.
Negative sentences.
Wow! It is not a short tree. It is not a bad day. Even the birds are not quiet. Chotu, why are you adding not in every sentence? Why don't you just say that it is a tall tree, it is a good day, and the birds are chirping? I'm adding not in every sentence because I am practicing negative sentences, Golu. Negative sentences? Yes, my older brother told me about it today. A sentence that has not in it is known as a negative sentence. A negative sentence can either be a negative statement or a negative question. Wow, I didn't know about this. You have been saying negative statements all morning, but have you tried any negative question yet? Let's see. Why did you not come to school today? But I did go to school today. We sat together in class. How can you not remember? Oh, silly. Why did you not come to school today? Was an example of a negative question. In fact, you just gave another example of a negative question. How can you not remember? Oh, I get it now. Thanks for telling me all about it, Chotu. I think it can be a fun game to change every positive sentence into a negative sentence. Do you not want to play it?
Sentences that have not or no in them are called negative sentences. Means the sentences those who are having with no and not are called negative sentences. Statements that are not negative are called positive sentences. Means the statement those who are without, means in those statements not and no is not used, are called positive sentences. Let's take the difference between positive and negative sentences. Yes, now have a look at this table. In this table I have written positive sentences and negative sentences. Just see the difference between positive and negative sentences. First one is I am happy. This is positive sentence. It's without not. I am not happy. I am not happy. In this sentence not is used. This is verb. So in negative sentences we are using not after verb. Okay, I am not happy. Check the second one. You are happy. Are is verb. And in negative sentence, you are not happy. We have added not after the verb. Third one, this is positive sentence. He is my uncle. Here verb is. And negative form, he is not my uncle. Again, I have added not after verb. Is not my uncle. Fourth is Rahul is at home. Negative, Rahul is not at home today. Clear? Fifth one is she was at home yesterday. In this positive sentence, was is verb, and next he was not at home yesterday. Here verb is was, and to make it negative sentence we have used not. Was not. Sixth, this is positive sentence. We are at home yesterday. Which is verb here? Verb. To make it negative, what do we do here? We were not at home yesterday. Actually, we have added not after the verb. So this is the difference between positive and negative sentences. Here in the positive sentences, there is no not is not used. There is verb. So to form a negative sentence, we have used not after the verb. Clear? Let's do the book work now. Change these positive sentences into their negative forms. First sentence is Miss Sunanda is our teacher. This is positive sentence. Change into negative one. To change it to negative form, we will add not after verb. It means after is. The sentence of negative will be Miss Sunanda is not our teacher. Second is today and tomorrow are holidays. To make it negative, we will add not after verb are. After are. The sentence will be today and tomorrow are not holidays. Rest of the sentences you will do it yourself. Now look at this table. Here is difference between positive and negative sentences. First one is our class is going on a picnic. Here I want to tell you that verb is made up of two words. Is going. When word is made up of two words, we use not between these two words, between the verb. Our class is not going on a picnic. Is not going on a picnic. So check the second positive sentence. He was talking to his father. Again the verb is made up of two words. Was talking. What will we do? We will add not here after was. He was not talking to his father. Third is Harish has returned from town. Again the verb is made up of two words. So what will we do? Again we will add not between these two verbs. Harish has not returned from home. Clear? In the previous table, what we have done, we have only one verb. It was is, was, simple verb was there, and we have added not after is not, was not, am not. So here the word is made up of two words. Is going. So we will add verb, not between these two words. Is not going. Was not talking. Clear? Has not. Next now B exercise. Change these negative sentences into their positive forms. Now you have to change negative to positive sentences. First is Manik was not studying for the test. To make it positive, we will cut not. Write again. Manik was studying for the test. Second is he will not listen to the teacher. To make it positive, we will cut not, and the positive sentence will be he will listen to the teacher. Rest of the sentences you will do yourself. look here. To get the negative form of imperative sentences, we add do not before the sentences. Look at the following example. Means imperative sentences को negative बनाने के लिए we use do not. Positive sentences are here. Imperative you have read in the previous chapter. Imperative sentences. Positive sentences come here, and the negative form of this imperative sentence will be do not come here. We can write don't also. In place of do not, we can write don't. Don't is the short form of do not. So we can say don't come here. And second positive sentence is play in the rain. And the negative form of this sentence is do not play in the rain. Again we can write here don't. Don't play in the rain. Next, sometimes we can also make negative sentences using no. Means हम पहले अभी क्या यूज़ कर रहे थे, नोट यूज़ कर रहे थे. सो हेयर वी कैन यूज़ नो ऑल्सो. हेयर आर फ्यू एग्जाम्पल्स. पॉजिटिव सेंटेंसेस and negative sentences are given here. Positive sentence, I had a pet, and negative sentence will be I had no pet cat. Clear? Second, Gayatri has a message for you. Negative will be Gayatri has no message for you. I have some friends. I have no friends. Clear? For sentences that have the verbs has, have, had, it means जिन sentences में has, have, had use हो रहा है plus a and some ये use हो रहा है, then we drop. हम क्या drop करते हैं, a and some. इनको remove करके हम क्या use कर देते हैं, no. Just see here. Here the sentences are having in this sentence had, has, have. In this is here we have removed a and used no, and in the second we have removed a, used no, and then we have removed some, used no. Clear? It was all about this negative sentences. Now we will do more work with it. Introducing oneself. Let's do it now. Introducing oneself. Here is a conversation between Gautam. Gautam is a new boy in Mihir's class. Mihir की class में new boy आता है. Whose name is Gautam. Read this conversation. They have on the first day they met. आपकी क्लास में भी न्यू स्टूडेंट आता है, कभी जब भी आता है तो आपकी फर्स्ट डे कन्वर्सेशन होती है ना, तो उससे जो जो क्वेश्चंस पूछते हो ना, वैसे ही गौतम और मिहिर की कन्वर्सेशन है. लेट्स रीड इट. मिहिर सेज हाय माय नेम इज़ मिहिर. मिहिर खुद को इंट्रोड्यूस करता है, हाय माय नेम इज़ मिहिर. आरंट यू द न्यू बॉय? क्या आप न्यू बॉय नहीं हो? गौतम हाय येस माय नेम इज़ गौतम. माई फैमिली हैज़ रिसेंटली मूव्ड फ्रॉम मुंबई. मीन्स मैं अभी रिसेंटली मुंबई से आया हूँ. मिहिर सो हाउ डू यू लाइक द स्कूल? नाउ गौतम सेज इट सीम्स नाइस. बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. द प्ले ग्राउंड इज़ क्वाइट बिग. प्ले ग्राउंड बहुत बड़ा है. डू यू लाइक प्लेइंग गेम्स? मिहिर सेज आई लाइक क्रिकेट बट आई डोंट एंजॉय फुटबॉल मच. Gautam says, I don't like football either, but I love basketball and कबड्डी. अब गौतम को क्या गेम पसंद है? बास्केटबॉल एंड कबड्डी. और मिहिर को कौन सी गेम पसंद है? क्रिकेट. नाउ मिहिर सेज व्हाट एल्स डू यू लाइक? तुम और क्या पसंद करते हो? डू यू प्ले वीडियो गेम्स? क्या तुम वीडियो गेम्स खेलते हो? गौतम सेज नॉट मच, प्रेफर रीडिंग बुक्स. मैं बुक्स को रीड करना प्रेफर करता हूँ. मिहिर सेज ओह वी हैव गोट अ गुड लाइब्रेरी. मीन्स हमारे स्कूल में बहुत अच्छी लाइब्रेरी है. डू यू वॉन्ट टू गो एंड सी इट? गौतम सेज श्योर लेट्स गो. आओ चले. सो नाउ व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, right now you are at home, you can't do this practice, but in school when you will meet your friends you can talk to them, you can ask them the questions, those who are new students in your class. Okay, at home you can practice with your friends, your parents, the person who lives nearby you. Clear? Thank you.